Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last video that I shared almost a week ago, and this was the video where I told you that the price action of Bitcoin is going to hit the $14,000, and before that I already told you that the price action can move up to $13,500 a month ago, and after that the price action moved up to $13,500, and after my previous video we have seen that recently the price action has hit the $14,000. Here you can see on yesterday. And now, first of all, I want to show you a few more charts because these charts have a very strong connection with today's analysis. First of all, I want to show you this chart of Bitcoin. And this was a monthly chart when I predicted that the price action can move up to $12,000. When in the month of March we had a very strong dump, and it was moving down with all of the markets, and it completed the final leg of the bullish garlic pattern, even though we had a very long spike beyond this potential reversal zone. But in the very next candlestick the price action moved, even in the same candlestick the price action moved in this potential reversal zone. Now I'm playing this chart, and the price action has even broken down this 0.786 Fibonacci projection. That was the maximum extent of my sell zone as defined as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish garlic pattern. Now what I'm expecting, for example, let me just show you this Cardano chart that I published in back in March 2020 when the price action completed this final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern with the final leg of the Bitcoin, when the Bitcoin was completing the final leg in the month of March. At that same time the Cardano was also completing this final leg, and I told you that the price action can move up as per butterfly Fibonacci sequence, and if this level will be broken out, then the price action may retest this level, and after that it can start a very long-term bullish rally, very powerful. Now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that it has produced more than 430% rally, and at this time it is moving down to retest this previous 0.786 Fibonacci projection. That was the maximum extent of my sell zone as a support. Same as like that, after producing more than 105% rally, the price action now may move down because we have the closing above $12,000. This was almost $12,000 level, and now we have the closing above $12,000. You can see this is the previous month candlestick, and the closing of this candlestick is at $12,269. So we have the closing above this level. Now the price action may retest this level. And if we take a look at my previous article that I shared with you, where I predicted that the price action can move at $13,500, at that time the price action was at the support of this up channel, and I also told you the different reasons why the price action can move up. And this center of this up channel of this weekly chart was at $13,500. Therefore I told you first the price action can move up to $13,500. After that we will take a look on the different indicators and the moving averages and signals, and then I'll give you my next prediction whether it can move up more, up to $14,000 or not. When it reached up to $13,500, then in my previous video I told you that now the price action of Bitcoin can move up to $14,000 because we have received the confirmed signal. You can see that previously I shared this chart and this idea that I also shared on the TradingView on 25th of October, that the price action has reached up to $13,500. That was almost half of this up channel. Now it can move up to this $14,000 level. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that now finally the price action has reached at $14,000, and the next candlestick is at the distance from this resistance of the channel. This is same as like here we had a bigger spike, then we had the small candlestick, then we have the next two candlestick above this previous candlestick, but finally the price action moved down, could not break out this resistance of this up channel. So same move can be happen again. For example, we have already seen that the price action has broken out this level, same as like the Cardano did, and now the Cardano is moving down to retest its previous support, previous resistance as a support. And now the Bitcoin can do the same. It can retest the $12,000 support that was previously working as a 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and that was also as a resistance, and now it can work as a support. And if the price action will move down to retest that level, then the price action may retest this previous support of the channel, this support of the channel that is almost at 12,000, somewhere between, if the price action will be moved down in this angle, like it was moved up in this angle, and it will be moved down in this angle, then we can have somewhere between $12,000 or $12,500 this drop up to this support of the channel. Now if we move to the live daily chart, then we have a very good support of the 25, 50, 100 and 200 simple moving averages. And if we switch this chart to the weekly time frame, then we have a very good position of the moving averages, the simple moving averages. We have very good support of 25 simple moving average and 50, 100 and 200 as well. But if we take on the different indicators on the daily chart first, let me just switch it on the daily chart, then we can see that on the daily chart, indicators are started turning bearish at this time. You can see that this MACD indicator was bullish, but now it is turning bearish, and the stochastic is already in the overbought zone, and it is going to give us the bear cross from the overbought zone like it gave here, and after that the price action moved down. And the RSI, the relative strength index, is already in the overbought zone, so it can also move down. And if we switch on the weekly chart, then all the indicators are still bullish. I'm just looking at the weekly charts indicator. For example, here, while moving within this up channel that I've shown you here in my previous chart, when this MACD started turning bearish and we received the bear cross by the stochastic indicator, the blue line crosses down this red line, then we have seen a very big drop by the Bitcoin. And after that we received again bullish signals. The MACD started turning bullish, and the stochastic gave bull cross. This blue line crosses up this red line, and the RSI also turned bullish. Then the price action moved up very well. At this time I'm just looking on these signals. Once these signals will be, for example, at this time they're turning bearish on the daily chart. Once they will started turning bearish on the weekly chart, then we can expect that the price action will move down up to this support of the channel. And if it will be moved down in the same angle in which it was moved up, then we can expect up to $12,000 drop. That will be also this support of the Fibonacci projection as well. So if we take a look on the signals at this time on the weekly chart, the signals are very bullish. All the oscillators and signals and the moving averages are giving bullish signs. But if we take a look on the patterns, for example, if we take a look on this up channel on the weekly chart, that the price action already has hit at the resistance of the channel and likely to move down. And if we take on this chart, the behavior of this garlic pattern, then after breaking out this very strong support of 0.786 Fibonacci projection, there are very strong chances that the price action may retest this level, and after that it can move up again. And for example, if after moving retesting the previous support of the channel, for example, it will be moved down in this angle and retest the $12,000 level, and from here it will be moved up in the same angle, then we can have the next move up to 15,000 to 15,500, somewhere around this figure. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.